It is a statement told by Speranza Spalding, a jazz musician in which she uses math to play with music. So I am Berfilin Daniela Villaruz of 1 BS Bio B, and today we're gonna find out how math can be found in our environment. Among the 4 concepts of Fibonacci sequence, I have chosen the bilateral symmetry. We all know that bilateral symmetry is a symmetry that is an organism or a part of an organism can be divided into 2 parts, and it can be identified by a sagittal line or the line that divides the parts. So the part could be a perfect mirror of each other. Here are the example of bilateral symmetry. The first one is a variant of Mayana leaf. And this one is also a variant of a Mayana plant. So these 2 leaves is an example of bilateral symmetry. As we can see, this is the line, or we should say the sagittal line that divides this part and this part into 2. The same with this plant or this variant. So this line divides these 2 parts and a perfect mirror to each other regardless of its color. So this design of the leaf is also the same with the other part. So the other example is this plant. This called a peacock plant. This line serves as the sagittal line that divides this part and this part. So we can see that it is perfectly symmetrical to each other. So because I can't seem to catch a butterfly, I could use this plant, a butterfly plant, as an example of also of bilateral symmetry. As we can see, this line, sagittal line, also the same with other examples, divides these 2 parts into 2 that it is perfectly mirrored to each other. The same with this variant, it is also a butterfly plant.